Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Botany for All. In this video, I'm going to talk about an update regarding the CSIR NET exam of the June 2021, which is likely to be conducted on the 29th of January and the further dates. So there was no notice regarding the admit card as well as the exact date, the subject specific dates. So today a notice is being released about the dates and the shifts of the exam. So you can see this notice, there it is, the public notice of the 17th January, there it is. You can click this notice. Once you will click this, we are having the exact dates. It means it is likely to be happened on the 29th, 15th of February, 16th of the February and 17th of the February as per the schedule that is given here. You can see. So for the life science students, all of the two shifts will be on the 17th of February 2022. And the admit cards will also released very soon. The notification regarding the downloading of admit cards will be displayed on the NTA website. So क्योंकि पहला shift 29th of January को होना है, so very soon we can accept the admit card also. So you can read this notice in continuation of the public notice 27 February December, जो 27 दिसंबर को नोटिस निकला था, उसके रिगार्डिंग एग्जाम होना था 29th of January से. एक बार पहले भी डेट्स चेंज किए गए थे क्योंकि क्लैश कर रहे थे वो गेट एग्जाम्स के साथ या कुछ और एग्जाम्स के साथ. तो अब जो है फाइनल डेट ये है शिफ्ट वाइज, और एडमिट कार्ड भी जो है वेरी सून दे विल बी रिलीज. तो यहाँ कहा भी गया है कि कैंडिडेट जो है वो विजिट करते रहे वेबसाइट रिगार्डिंग द एडमिट कार्ड एंड अदर डिटेल्स. सो दिस इज एन update and latest notice from the CSIR. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.